Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect circle roti at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of warm water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For an extra soft roti, you can also add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Using fresh flour is key to achieving the best texture and taste for your homemade roti. Now let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Gradually add the warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then transfer it to a clean surface and knead vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want a smooth, pliable, and elastic dough. Once kneaded, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. This helps the gluten relax. With your dough rested, it's time to shape our roti. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 equal portions, each about the size of a golf ball. Roll each portion into a smooth, crack-free ball, then gently flatten it. Now, using a rolling pin, roll each flattened ball into a thin, even circle, aiming for about 6 inches in diameter. Consistency and thickness is crucial for even cooking. Finally, let's cook our beautiful roti. Heat a flat griddle or tawa over medium-high heat until it's quite hot. Place a rolled roti onto the hot surface and cook for about 30 seconds until small bubbles appear. Flip it and cook the other side for another 30 seconds. For that perfect puff, gently press the edges with a clean cloth and watch it inflate like a balloon. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.